Good day to everybody. My name is Shams Al Hassani. I am consultant in upper gastrointestinal and weight loss surgery. I have special interest in laparoscopic or keyhole approach for repair of abdominal wall hernias. I'm grateful for you to make the time and the effort to watch this video that I will concentrate on the laparoscopic or keyhole approach to repair of a groin hernia. So when we say groin hernia, we mean inguinal hernia or femoral hernia. It is commonly inguinal. So what is a hernia? The whole human body consists of different compartments, and if you imagine a hole of any compartment with a protrusion of the contents through that hole, this will constitute a hernia. So the abdomen as a compartment, there is the pelvis in the lower end and there is the diaphragm in the upper end, and in between there are the muscles of the abdominal wall in the front and the back. So there is a hole in this muscle layer and protrusion of the contents of the abdomen through the hole is a hernia. So as far as the groin hernia or inguinal hernia is concerned, there is a hole in the groin muscles through which the intestine or the fat is protruding and causing this hernia. So the groin or inguinal hernia can present at any age: children, teenager, adulthood, elderly people. It can affect men more than women, but women can get this type of hernia as well. The presentation usually a lump that disappears, comes and goes, or pain, or lump and pain, sometimes only tenderness. The diagnosis is usually straightforward by clinical examination, but sometimes we will need to perform an ultrasound scan, CT scan, MRI scan to help in the diagnosis and further management, depend on each clinical scenario. These hernias or the hole in the muscle does not heal itself. There's no medication for it and it will need surgical repair. Surgical repair should be with a mesh, because if we just close it by stitching, it will rip and open again. And certainly in the new era of laparoscopic keyhole approach, the repair is easier. It is better than the traditional open approach because the pain is less, recovery is quicker, getting back to work normal, getting back to normal activity is quicker. More important than all this, the percentage of recurrence in the future is 10 times less with the laparoscopic approach. So for a groin hernia, you will come on the day, have the operation the same day. Usually you go home the same day. There will be 3 to 4 wounds, each one of them 1 centimeter or less. You will walk independently. You can drive your car within a week, fly within 2 weeks, full physical activity 3 to 4 weeks following surgery. 2% risk of complication, like any surgery has its own complication. The long-term results are extremely good. We advise people who are fit for anesthetic to have hernia repair, not only to alleviate the symptoms, but also to prevent the future problems, which can be an emergency of obstruction or strangulation. In my specialty, people who have problem with overweight, these hernia can get bigger more rapidly because of the increase of the intra-abdominal pressure due to the weight. So the message is, if you have a groin hernia, inguinal hernia, seek advice and help from a specialist. If you are fit, then operation will be offered to you. The notion that if you have a small hernia causing no symptoms, leave it well alone, I think it is wrong, because the hernia will get only bigger, give symptoms. You are always at risk of obstruction, strangulation, and the repair is easier when it is smaller rather than when it is big. I hope you find this useful, and I must thank you for listening. Thank you.